Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add email addresses to your profile on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two approaches to this. Option number one, adding an email address to your own user profile. To do this, log into your monday.com account, click into your profile icon in the top right, and navigate to administration here. Navigate to my profile here, of course. Next, navigate to personal info in the top left, and here to the right, guys, you will see your current email address. So if you'd like to change it, simply click into it and enter the new email address here. Confirm by clicking the that button. Now, you may receive a confirmation email with a verification code to the associated new email address from Monday. So make sure that you have access to your inbox and confirm using that confirmation. That's option number one, guys. If you'd like to give your team members the opportunity to assign email addresses to their own user profiles within your team or your workspace, you can do that as well. To do that, click into your profile icon again, and this time navigate to administration. Here, customization to the left, expand it, select user profile. And here, guys, you can give your teammates, as you can see, the opportunity to fill in these fields within their own profiles. For example, the title, the email address, and so on and so forth. Just make sure that email address is and that it is not disabled. You may also pin it and unhide, or you can, for example, delete some of these fields, like that field here. You can add more fields, like, I don't know, second email address or something like that, contact email address, and so on and so forth. Well, you should actually enter it here, sorry, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.